Hello everyone, I'm Tracy, the community manager of TinTin-land. In the first half of this year, TinTin-land launches several courses with popular public chains, including Startnext, Solana, Sui, and Dfinity. And we also held 4 offline technical exchange sessions in Chengdu, Hong Kong, and Hangzhou, respectively. So we've added a lot of new friends to our community. So today I'm going to share with you through this video how beginners can probably get started with Web3, what resources you can get in the TinTin-land community, and the introduction to our community growth points system. So there have a lot of people who are new to Web3 and want to know how to join this industry. So I'll go ahead and share with you how beginners can get started with Web3. I will divide this session into developers and marketer, combining the growth paths of users in our developer community as well as my experience in the industry. So as a developer, firstly, many Web2 developers want to switch to Web3, but they are facing 2 problems. Firstly, they have the ability to develop technology, but no experience in the Web3 industry, which makes it difficult to switch to Web3 through direct interview. Secondly, they don't have access to the latest Web3 information channels, and they don't know where they can find a job in the Web3 industry. So then the TinTin-land community actually provides a growth path for developers who want to switch to Web3. Like we have introductory understanding like Web3 novice to learning to participate in hands-on for Web3 developers, and learn to earn, also build to earn. Here I'll make an example of the Move development course, which was finished some times ago. Like students will learn the technical framework of Web3 through the Web3 introductory development course. And through the course assignments, students will participate what they have earned and they have learned, and our course instructor will also provide some small rewards for students who have completed the tasks. At the same time, we'll set up bounty tasks during the learning process, and you can go through bounty to build your first Web3 projects, which will become your job in the future when you are looking for a job and switch to Web3. Of course, in addition to the course, the occasional workshop can also bring developers a lot of like technical stuff. So at the end of the course, some of the students choose to continue to go deeper, participate in the hackathon competitions, start their own business to make products, and formally become a Web3 builder. So after the course, some students choose to continue to contribute in the Web3 domain. Like some students will also participate in the bug bounty released by some public chain projects and get the improvement and corresponding rewards by continuously polishing their skills. So after introducing this growth path, I'm sure that some Web2 developers have questions about bounties and hackathons because they haven't been exposed to them. So I'm going to go deeper, go over what bounty is and what hackathon is with you. So currently, the most common bounties can be divided into task-based bounties and bug bounty. As the name suggests like task-based bounty requires developers to complete some interactions or building tasks, which can be found on the official website of the public chain projects or some bounty platforms. And after completing the task according to the requirements, they can get bonuses, like which generally range from 50 to 500 US dollars, is suitable for beginner developers. And bug bounty is mainly initiated by public chain officials or ecological project partner parties, aiming to motivate developers to discover effective vulnerabilities and problems and help maintain the security and stability of the platform. The bonus will be in the range of 200 US dollars to 500,000 US dollars according to the degree of completion and severity. Relatively speaking, it's more difficult and requires more development skills and experience. So we recommend that students with a certain level of development foundation like to participate. Firstly, I would like to introduce you task-based bounty. Like TinTin-land developer courses also have like correspond like bounty tasks. Bounty partners will give you some topics and requirements, and you can choose topics according to your own situation, use one or more projects according to the requirements. Or bounty courses are generally less competitive, have a higher probability of winning, and offer some basic incentives for projects that are submitted in accordance with the requirements. Here's we can see some of the bounty tracks from previous TinTin-land courses: the ICP challenge bounty mission, and the Starneck bounty mission, Rust near track bounty mission, Rust Polkadot track bounty task, Sui bounty mission, and this showcase from the hackathon teams. Okay, so then let me introduce you to bug bounty. Yeah, and actually, like you can also check our GitHub repository for like past bounty tracks, which I'm going to show you later. So just let me briefly introduce you to the bug bounty. Bug bounty is mainly like initiated by public chains officials or ecological project partners aiming to incentivize developers to discover effective vulnerabilities and problems to help maintain the security and stability of the problem. The bounties will be in the range of 200 US dollars to 500,000 according to the degrees of completion and severity. So I will share with you the bug bounty challenge cup that TinTin-land has conducted for as an example to take it through how to participate in bug bounty. Like the Sui bug bounty challenge is divided into two big sections: the Sui protocol and Sui wallet. Officially, the scope of the probabilities and references, as well as case studies, are given, and developers can look for vulnerabilities within the given scope. Developers are advised to focus on vulnerabilities that may materially affect confidentiality, integrity, and availability of user information are found. All reports should be accompanied by a valid proof of concept, POC, and the detailed replication steps to be considered valid. Please test the attacks on the testnet to assess whether the objects can undergo state change. So how to submit a suspected bug? You can send to the specified email address, and it needs to contain some like this several infos that shows here. You need to contain the detailed steps to reproduce the bug, the possible impact of the bug and the possible fix. So after submitting the bug, just wait for the official reviews and release, and they will release the rewards. So I've uploaded more detailed bug bounty information to Discord, so you can join in and get some ideas. I'm sure you now have a better idea of what bounty is. So let me then introduce you what you like. What is the hackathon? So hackathon is known as a programming marathon. The development length of the hackathon is usually around a month. Of course, hackathons are not just about writing code. In a sense, it's a group of people meeting for a specific period of time, doing what they want and the way they want to do it. And the hackathon developers, as well as other members of the team, such as designers, products, and marketing, come together and work closely together to build a project. Hackathon can be categorized into online hackathons and combines online and offline hackathons, which I will show. I will share the screens here to introduce to you. Just let me end this show. Yeah, you can see the have a hackathon board. For example, the first one, the first hackathon, click the event link. You can say it's a virtual hackathon. And you go to the last one. And this is a offline hackathon in Romania. Okay. So yeah, so TinTinLand, our Discord channels, also has bounty sharing, and the hackathon news team up, showcase, and hackathon talk. If you want to know more, please join our Discord. If you're going to participate in the hackathon, you need to focus on the following informations listed here: theme, prize, money, schedule, entry requirement, criteria, participation procedure. Of course, in addition to the pure online hackathon, there are also some larger hackathon in the forms of online and offline demo days. I believe you now have a preliminary understanding of what is a hackathon, and then participate in the hackathon competition. In fact, it's a Web2 developers or team switch to Web3 in a more rapid and effective way. For a good project, hackathon is just the beginning. So now that we've talked about the developer path, let's move on to the marketing path. So personally, my background is in undergrad mathematics and graduate computer science. In 2017, my friend told me about blockchain, and then I became interested in this industry later. I found some basic courses on the internet, and I signed up for them. Later, I found a Solidity development course, and I signed up for it. I also met a lot of people in Web3 from that course. So now many of my classmates at the time were the founders of projects, but at the time my main focus was on graduate studies. So after graduation, a former classmate asked me to join his team. At first, I was responsible for community work in North America. Later, after taking the substrate development course, I began to be in charge of developer education. Later, I also learned about some other technologies, like such as SAP development, subquery, etc. after that, I successfully joined TinTin-land and engaged in some community work. So there are some Web3 essential tools that you need to know. VPN, account registration, interactive tools. So in the TinTinLand community, you can get community resources, event branding, and user guides. Yeah, TinTinLand. So what do you get in the TinTinLand community? What is TinTinLand? What resources can be provided? TinTinLand is a platform focusing on Web3 developers. We are committed to providing cutting-edge scientific and technological information, technical courses, seminars, hackers, entrepreneurial competitions, and industry recruitment, and closely linked community members to build a future Web3 ecosystem jointly. The TinTinLand provides a rich scientific and technical information, tutorials, and courses to help developers understand Web3 technology and ecosystem in depth, thereby enhancing their technical skills through seminar, online discussion, and community interaction. Users can establish contact with other developers and industry experts, share experience, solve problems, and find partners. Bounty hackers and other activities provides creative developers and entrepreneurs with opportunities to showcase talents, realize innovations, and attract investors' attention. TinTinLand connects developers and recruiters to provide developers with employment and development opportunities while helping teams to or projects to find suitable Web3 talents. What resources can be obtained through the TinTinLand community through different roles. For Web2 developers, TinTinLand provides free Web3 technical courses and rich Web3 ecological and technical activities to help them understand and enter the Web3 field. Fully use their existing skills and experience and can direct directions in Web3 career development. So for Web3 developers, TinTinLand provides systematic technical contents and perfect growth paths, the latest bounty and hacks information, and active developer technical exchange groups to help Web3 developers realize technical breakthroughs and progress. For Web3 investors and entrepreneurs, TinTinLand provides the latest industry news, rich technology, and eco-sharing activities, online or offline communication opportunities, talent recruitment, marketing, and cooperation opportunities to accelerate their project development and innovation. For computer science students, TinTinLand provides learning resources, mentorship, and practical opportunities to help them gain practical experience and development, employment opportunities in the Web3 fields. For Web3 industry non-technical juniors, TinTinLand provides blockchain general knowledge classes, regularly organizes industry hot topics activities, and community sharing and discussion activities to help junior quickly understand Web3, and also provides resources for non-technical jobs, including operation, business developers, and design, and so on. So what activities are currently available in TinTinLand? Our current online event brand is more okay. Our current online event brand are Tintin meeting, Tintin AMA, Tintin weekly Rust room, job fair, community discussions and sharing event. TinTin Web3 Bounty Challenge Cup and offline events brands are TinTin Destination Moon. Community and students offline events are TinTin Destination Moon Community Learner Meetup. So TinTin meetings for technical related, we have several activities, online activities. TinTin meeting is a live online column opened by TinTinLand, focusing on the fields of blockchain technology, inviting industry technical experts as well as participants to discuss the practical experience and construction effectiveness of blockchain technology, aiming to provide developers with new ideas and solutions for blockchain development. The Rust chat room is a regular bi-weekly online event co-promoted by TinTinLand and Rust CC, focusing on practical pace sharing and programming skills. Rust developers are invited to share the latest application cases and programming tips with the hosts, as well as presenting the latest news and information in the Rust fields. In addition, online learners can join in the discussion, promote the development and exchange of the Rust community. This is a must-attend Rust networking event that brings cutting-edge insights and inspirations to Rust developers at every event. TinTin Web3 Bounty Challenge Cup series of events organized on a monthly basis. A bounty track challenge. Each event, TinTin will organize developers to participate in the bug bounty tasks launched by well-known projects, all for the developers to find a potential development track, but also for the injection of fresh blood into the major public chains. The TinTinLand Web3 theme learning month is a monthly theme learning activity initiated by TinTinLand every month. We will join hands with famous projects to create a systematic and interactive learning platform to help developers continuously improve their skills and keep up with the cutting-edge information of Web3 technology. The activities mainly use demo videos, learning punch cards, simulated environments, practical exercises, and other methods to help developers deeply participate and master the latest Web3 technologies and applications. And for industry hotspots, so TinTin Weekly is a new online roundtable and talk shows hosted by TinTinLand. We will focus on the cutting edge of the web crypto industry, select hot topics every week, and invite projects owners, developers, investors, researchers, and other guests to explore the new technology, new markets, and new trend of the Web3 industry with all Web3ers through roundtables and fresh free interaction. TinTin AMA is an online event launched by TinTinLand from time to time. We will invite guests from Web3 startups to be our guests through the interactive Q&A format. The host will ask the guests various questions so that the community can learn more about this exciting projects. From technological innovations to vision, we will explore the stories and concepts behind these projects, help you gain insights into the future of the blockchain industry. TinTin Community Discussion and Sharing is a live online program run by TinTinLand. From time to time, members of the community are invited to discuss recent hot industry events and topics and share their own experience through online discussion and sharing, all of which provides a channel for community members to communicate and get to know each other. this industry job fair. TinTin Job Fair is a channel for students, internet professionals, and blockchain developers to find jobs in the blockchain industry in the TinTinLand developer community. TinTinLand invites original leaders in major public chains and founders of various projects to participate in the fair as guests, sharing the latest and most cutting-edge technology in the industry with our job seekers, and providing a platform for job hunters and application seekers and applications to communicate with each other. Applicants. At the same time, we will also invite Web3 projects with large numbers of job descriptions to come to recruit, show their projects and recruitment needs, and build a communication bridge between job seekers and Web3 projects. For offline events, TinTin Destination Moon is a series of offline events launched by TinTinLand. We are committed to creating an inspiring and resonant communication platform. Each event focuses on Web3 related topics and invites industry experts to explore the cutting-edge dynamics, new technologies, and market trends of the Web3 industry through roundtable conversations, free interactions. In addition to in-depth changes, we also prepare fun games and interactive sessions for you, so that you can make friends with like-minded people in a relaxed and enjoyable way. The community learners offline meetup events is an offline event that's a gathering that bring gather members of the technical communities and learners to promote communities learning and collaboration. At this event, like participants can share their experience, exchange ideas, and build a meaningful relationship with like-minded people. So if you want to learn more about ecology and interest trend, you can pay more attention to TinTin Weekly, TinTin MA, TinTin Destination Moon. If you want to learn technical stuff, you can pay more attention to TinTin Meeting, Rust Chat Room. And if you want to communicate with more with the community members, discuss the recent hotspots together, and participate in the TinTin Weekly. If you want to communicate with community members, like participate the recent bounty, you can pay attention to the TinTin community topic discussion, sharing activities, and TinTin Web3 bounty challenge cup. So if you want to get involved in Web3, get employed in Web3 or post jobs, you can pay attention to the TinTin Job Fair. So this page is for our GitHub. I will just share the GitHub. Okay. So basically our GitHub, here's a brief introductions in general with all the social media platforms. And currently we have 6 repositories here. The last one will only be used when the course actually started. So the first one is about it's very obvious, this developer resource libraries for different networks. We have resources. And the second one is the courses. We have Solana, Starnet, SCP, Rust, Move, and the event pool. And if you click all these links, you can see the previous events. It's all the events I mentioned before. And this is kind of important for the showcase ideas if you are interested in hackathons, because here we got a lot of we posted a lot of ideas from the actual teams join our hackathons. So if you want to join our hackathons but you don't have any ideas, you can click these links to check. And the last one is TinTin job fair to find some openings, opportunities. Okay. So what is the TinTinLand community daily experience? We hope that all of you who join the community, whether you are new to Web3 or not, can get the resources and progress you want in the community to help more users familiarize themselves with and participate in the TinTin community's events, courses, contents, and equipment course. So, how to win a daily experience? There are several ways. Like we have onboarding event, Web3 Academy, job fairs, community, Web3 learning months, and other tasks. For community practice, you can participate in online and offline events such as AMA, workshop, meetup, job fairs, etc. Publish valuable industry news, trend analysis, project analysis, job search experience, etc. And answer users' questions in the community. Participate in online or offline sharing activities as a guest, help enrich the community knowledge and resource level one. And also for the course participation, enrolling courses, sharing courses, completing course assignments, clocking in and out of courses, participating in course activities, taking part in bounty tasks, becoming honor students or graduate students. And also you can serve as a course assistant and group leader, answer questions in the class, group sharing learning experience. The experience rules, all community users will be credited with the experience for completing and corresponding tasks on their track. Experience will be announced and redeemed on an annual and quarterly basis. Experience will be valid for a certain period of time, and at the end of the year, a new list will be opened for the next year, and the experience of the new list will be counted from 0. The top 10 in the annual experience ranking will be rewarded. The total grand prize is $1,600 US. The first prize, is $500. The second and third place is $300 US each, and fourth to sixth place is for $100 each, and seventh to 10th place is $50 each. So you can receive the top 10 can receive a free course from TinTin-land and job promotion, the resource matching with famous project partners. Invited to be the guest of honor at TinTin-land event to build personal IP. Ranking announcement will be at the end of the year. And top 5 in the quarterly list can receive a free course from TinTin-land, and you're invited to be the guest of honor at TinTin-land events to build your personal IP. And next chart announcement will be the 30th of September. The top 50 in the experience chart will be able to redeem annual bonus experience, including but not limited to job offers, course vouchers, resources from famous project partners, whitelist partners projects, tokens, incentive, whatnot. Yeah, so if you want to know more about us or you want to participate in this activities I mentioned, you can follow our account through the QR code. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.